Alright, Lumpy. What is it?
I want you guys so I can fly this kite.
Oh, how babyish.
Ed? You do know that it's stormy outside.
And how's that problem?
There's also
What the hell?
lightning!
I know that, Woody.
What?
I keep teeth to the top of my kite so I can discover electricity.
You're a genius, Ed! But guys, what about the storm?
Storm, whatever. We got a kite to fly.
Well, buddy.
But guys, what about the implications?
Guys, I'm trying to fly this kite.
You go, Lumpy.
Eddie, this is a bad idea.
What the? Why?
Cause Ed taped the key to the top of his kite. He's gotta get struck by lightning.
I'm gonna be fine, though. I'm just gonna discover electricity.
Yeah, here, Lumpy. Like Benedict Franklin. You mean Benedict Franklin? The guy already discovered it. Don't be a downer, Dodie. Come on, Ed. Let's get this going.
Okay, here we go. 3, 2, 1.
Ed!
Oh, that happened.
Ed, are you okay?
Dodie, I'm in so much pain.
Ed needs a doctor!
Well, what are you waiting for? Let's just take him.
A few minutes later.
What happened to Ed?
Well, it's a long story.
He thinks he doesn't have Skype, blah, blah, blah. He got trouble with London. Ed's dumb.
You do realize he's like this for 3 days?
I also have diabetes.
Ed, you dumbass motherfucker.